how do you pick a new CPU?
The CPU is the first thing you want to select for your new PC build. Once you pick the CPU, then you can select the motherboard you want to buy. The motherboard must be compatible with the CPU. It must match the same socket that the CPU has. And then once you pick the motherboard, you can pick the memory, the SSD drives. And the CPU also determines what kind of cooling system you're going to use. If you get a low-end CPU for just office work, you might just use air cooling. But if you want it super quiet and you're going to also need more performance out of it, you may get all-in-one cooler. And finally, the CPU may also help you decide what kind of power supply you're going to buy. The CPU is the second biggest draw on power in your computer next to the graphics card.